In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and decide if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Collections sections. Let's start with Photos. Hold one of all your pictures you wanna get rid of and select multiple by clicking on those icons at the top right corners. Now, to keep some of those photos, tap on them. And to get rid of the rest, tap on Bin button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up after clicking on Got it. Now, if you want to delete them from Collections, click on Collections here. Tap on one of your folders from which you want to delete your photos. Hold one. Use the same icons. Tap on the ones you wanna keep. And this time tap on the same Bin button at the top right corner between this plus and a shopping cart. Then confirm your choice at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!